we are going to make this beautiful daisy flower. First of all, we are going to make a magic circle.
Five stitches. One.
5 simple stitches.
2. 3. 4. 5.
5 simple stitches. Now we will take a slip stitch, tightening the thread. We have taken slip stitch. So now we are cutting the thread. We have passed the off-white colored thread, wool thread.
1, 2 and 3 chain and double crochet, 1 double crochet and 2 double crochet, 3 chain and slip stitch.
Like this, our one petal is complete. Simple. Going to the
second petal,
next hole or next space.
next stitch, 1, 2 and 3 chain, double crochet in the same place, 1, 2, okay, 1 and 2, okay, 1, 2 and 3 chain,
3 chains
and slip stitch,
and our second petal is complete. We will make all the daisy petals in the same way,
third,
with the
fourth
same petal.
and fifth.
Fifth, 5 petals. We are going to make leaf.
1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 16.
16 chains.
Okay, 1 extra, okay, and 1 skip,
Simple stitch.
half double crochet, 1, okay, and then 1 double crochet, okay, 1 more double crochet, next, last, third double crochet, 1 simple stitch, 1 half double crochet, 3 double crochets, repeat 1 half double crochet, okay, and simple stitch, okay, and slip stitch, one side is complete.
Now from the
Next.
same chain we will make the other leaf.
Half, next simple stitch, okay, simple stitch, half double crochet, double crochet,
Passing the first two and then through the next two loops.
double crochet, one more double crochet,
We are repeating the same pattern as of our first leaf. Double crochet,
half double crochet,
and slip stitch. So our two leaves are complete. Okay, so we have made chains and now we are going to attach the chain with our leaves. We have made 15 chains. Now we will make a loop like this. Going to attach our flower with our chain, our leaves and our chain. So we are sewing the flower on the leaves. We are sewing the leaves properly. With the help of needle. These keychains are very easy to make and these look very beautiful. You can gift them. You can use them by decorating your bags. The threads. And mashallah, our keychain is ready. Our beautiful daisy flower keychain. If you like our keychain, like and subscribe our channel. This is our daisy flower keychain. If you like our keychain, like and subscribe our channel.